Hello friends! Today's tutorial shows how to transcribe pre-recorded audio files in Word for Microsoft 365 on a PC. These steps also apply to Word for the web for both PC and Mac when using the Edge or Chrome browser. First, we'll upload and transcribe the file. Then we'll edit the transcript and the speaker labels. Lastly, we'll insert the transcript into a Word document. Before we start, it's important to note that this process is only available to Microsoft 365 subscribers. At the time of this recording, subscribers can transcribe up to 300 minutes of audio per month. However, this limit may change in the future. In addition, an internet connection is required. To begin uploading and transcribing an audio file, open a new or existing document. Then select the Home tab in the ribbon. From there, select the Dictate menu arrow, and then choose Transcribe from the drop-down menu. When the Transcribe pane appears, choose from one of the available languages if it's not already set to the language you need. Next, select the Upload Audio button. Before we move on, you may have noticed the Start Recording button. We'll cover the option to record and transcribe at the same time in a future tutorial. When the Open dialog box appears, locate and select your audio file. You can use an MP3, WAV, M4A, or MP4 file format. Then select the Open button. Word should begin transcribing the file immediately. The processing time will depend on the file size and your internet connection. You can continue working on your document while the file is being transcribed. However, be sure to leave the pane open. When the transcription is finished, it will appear in the pane with timestamps and speaker labels. To edit the transcript, hover your pointer over a section and then select the pencil icon. You can now update the text as necessary. You can also enter a new name into the speaker text box. And check Change All to change all the labels for that speaker. Next, select the Save checkmark. Before we move on, note that if you need to verify the text, you can use the audio controls at the top of the pane to listen to specific sections. To insert the transcript into your document, begin by placing your cursor in the appropriate location. To add the whole transcript, select the Add to Document menu arrow, and then select Just Text with Speakers with timestamps or with speakers and timestamps. Today I'm going to select speakers and timestamps. When you insert the whole transcript, Word also creates a hyperlink to the audio file, which will be copied to the transcribed files folder in your OneDrive. You can delete this hyperlink without affecting the inserted transcript. To add a specific section, hover your pointer over that section, and then select the round Add Section to Document button. When you insert a section, Word won't insert the hyperlink to the audio file in OneDrive. Lastly, select the X to close the Transcribe pane, and then save your document as you normally would. All the steps we just performed are listed on my website at erinwritewriting.com, which is linked in the description box below, along with my complete playlist, How to Use Microsoft Word. If you found today's tutorial helpful, please leave me a comment with any other Microsoft Word topics you'd like me to cover in the future. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming videos, and of course I'd appreciate a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.